Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Fissner from ScreenProtector and the Inte team. Guys, so before we will do the review, I need to mount this mainboard which came yesterday, so we will know if that Samsung TV, I already unscrewed that, so need to open it, yeah, and replace the mainboard. That will be quick job. I'll replace it, I'll put it so that it will be playing here, cause the other mainboard, the original one, which is in the part 1 of that TV, it's restarting. So, yay, that's 18/80H or whatever written on it, yeah. Supplier have put that. Fingers crossed it's a good one, or goodian, and I can give this TV today back to the customer, okay? So be right back. Okay, let's make it official, yes? So, this board out, this board in. Oh, it has this connector, we don't need that, we've got a cable. LVDS cable works fine, I mean fit, yes? So all the connector fits, I will just screw in the screws to save the time. Okay guys, I even took the cable . And let's test it out. HDMI. Okay, so I'll pause it, I'll put TV back together, put it on the stand, connect it with a Wi-Fi, and put something on so that, you know, it will test and we can continue with the second job for today, which is a review for this model, yes? I'll try to put the timestamp for the review, okay? So that you will be able to see where the review starts, if you'd like. Okay, so TV is back on, you can see timeline HDMI, yes. So I will just test it now, because it's all back together. And as soon as, we can put it on a test, we can continue. Okay guys, so we're back. Parcel came because I've ordered it from AliExpress, and I've got 6 cables as well, USB cables, and here we've got 2 cables for the micro USB, 2 cables for a USB-C, and 2 Apple cables, yes. So I did say, I'll buy just a bit dearer device. I know maybe that wasn't the most economical option, but at least I don't have to worry, order them, and I want to mount this device here so that, it will be just all the time, yes? And I won't have to worry about anything. I was thinking about making additional camera as well, so that you can see reading from this, all the time. When it's needed, of course, yeah? Not all the time. So split it into 2 inner boxes, model WLX-X9. Let's put this one aside. Okay, so let's try the smaller one first. What do we have? We've got a UK power cable. Good, okay, nice, because it's UK, so that's a good thing. Let's unwind it. And let's see what's holding the bigger box. Fingers crossed, not a brick. So, okay, bit silky touch. Okay, so it's only the device, nothing else. So that's how it looks like. You get a wireless charging at the top. Get some foil, wrap, multifunctional charger. and when I sniff it, I don't have a good feeling, you know. I don't have a good feeling. I need to check how hot it will become, because it has some holes, that means it can get hot. So I need to check how hot it will become. Maybe we will need to open it and put some extra cooling for it. Okay, so here's the power. And something is loose inside. Fast charging base. Okay. My phone has a USB-C type, so let's hook it up. No, wrong one. Let's put my phone to charge. And what will happen? 5.2 volts and 1.5 amp, and that's we are at the 1. Okay. So it is charging. Doesn't say how much charge. It's here at 53%, but here doesn't show. It just showing charge. So we see that 5.2 volts and 1.5 amp is charging. Great. Okay, you know what? Let's get switch. Switch has a USB-C as well. So let's get USB-C. No, wrong. Where's the second USB? Here is the second USB-C. And this shouldn't charge. Let's do the bottom one. Because this has a faulty chip, so this shouldn't show. See, doesn't even recognize it. There is a 4. But it's blinking. It's not a touchy screen. So it's still charging and showing the first one. And this one is not charging. Okay, so let's take another switch which we know is working. This one. Okay. No. Okay, and it's showing here charge. Yes. But it doesn't show here anything. And there's no button or anything as well to switch in between them. So it's just showing the first one, doesn't show the next one. No touch screen, so that's what it is. So now we need to disconnect this one, probably. Oh, it's charged. And why it's only 5.2? That's the question. Because this is capable of larger. You see, it's still 5.2 when I take. So why the chip is taking only 5.2? It could take more than 5.2. It can take 12 volts, I think. 5.2. Well, if it wants to charge 5.2, that's okay. So we know it is working. What's happening when we plug in the USB 1? Okay, so it's just showing total. Oh no, it's switching. Ah, okay, so I see now. So the one is stable and it's 0.6, and now one is blinking and it's 1.5. So what is blinking is displayed. Okay, so that's how it's working. Okay. So in that case, we know how it is working. We can take maybe, what else we can take here? Maybe we had an iPhone here. I can't see an iPhone. I'll find the iPhone and we can connect the last one. Okay, so I plugged it into the USB 6 or something. Let's plug this fella in. Yeah, it is on. So the blinking one is half an amp or up to 1 amp. Now it's 1.5 amp on the first one. On the fourth one it's 0.6, and on the last one it's 1.7. Oh, iPhone is taking a lot of amps, but it's still capable of doing it. For now, I don't feel any warmth, but it's 92% charged, so it's fine. And there is this extra. Let's disconnect this. Because we don't need that for now. And there is this QC 3.08. Let's see what will happen when we will connect to this. Charging fast. Okay, so that's just fast charging. That's the difference, yeah? And the last one from those different ones is here. It's the micro port, so it's a USB-C connector, which is this one, this cable. Let's connect this. Let's connect it here. Will it recognize? Nope, this cable is not capable of charging the switch. So what about my phone? Oh yes, here is okay as well. Fast charging fast. Yes. So guys, that's it. I don't know what else I can show you. I don't feel any warmth, like it's really mild warm here. I'll need to test it. I will be testing it for another days. If I will find anything wowing, then we will do maybe additional follow-up video. If not, we will just start to use it in the next episode, or you might see it even earlier. Yes, because this is a review. Yeah, this is a review. I can do it within the next day or so. Just an additional video. Yes, plus we get follow-up. So I need to do it for sure after the Samsung. Yes, so you will have several days maybe me using it on some of the videos, or that will be the first video to show it. For now, what I can say, the design is really nice. This is rubber here. You can feel that the rubber is on it. Here is like a silky a bit, 4 legs. I would love to open it, so I think I will open it, because I haven't opened such device in my life. So what we want to see what's inside. So maybe that will be additional video. And well, and that's it. I can't tell you anything apart from that. I'm more than happy to have it, because I was needing that. The only thing what I can test still is the AliExpress and my purchases, so my orders. Okay, it's here. Let me log in. Okay, it's logging in, and let's see. I'll show you this one. Yes, that was. So this one I bought, and it was, yeah, about those 20, 38 something. You take coupon as well, so it's fine with those cables. Yes, so I paid about that. That's true. And £3 delivery, so that's what I've paid, I think, because it's my orders here. Oh no, I paid 30, because that's excluding VAT. Okay, sorry. So yeah, so plus VAT, and that's what it is. Yes, so 20, 24 plus 3, 27. So it's even slightly cheaper, because I paid 32.70, and that's a probably Black Friday deal. But you know, like £5, it's okay. I could wait actually to Black Friday and think on that time. But I bought on Black Friday this, which is really nice. This is for testing all the how you call it, all the displays. Yes, when I need to fix a display in the TV or the monitor, then I can use it. So that's what I bought in a Black Friday deal, which is really nice because that was really cheap. And no, I know the price for them, yes, and that one is 4K. So guys, that's it. I'm happy that this came. Okay, that's a bit slightly. Yeah, okay, so it's not the cheaper one. It's 23, so that's 46 plus 3. That's 49. Those pennies. So that's about the price I paid. Maybe £2 less I would pay if I would wait those few days. But I wanted to have it ASAP because I needed to charge. The only thing what I seen here was so the voltage, it doesn't show. Yeah, 12 volts. You see, that's what I want to check. Why the Nintendo Switch is not taking 12 volts? And then it's a 10-watt charger. So yeah, we will see how it will work. I'm happy for now. But that's it. That's everything in this video. We can see that it's 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts. So it should be okay on the QC3 output, the small one which I'm charging now my phone. And then the USB output is only 5 volts, okay? So PD power. Oh no, then that should be as well. But anyways, you know, I will check it out because I want to run on 9 volts and 12 volts as well. So I wanna test those features as well. So for sure we will know it. I first time I bought, I think, from this buyer. I never bought from this buyer. I don't know the company. Do I recall them? Yeah, I didn't buy from them. I would recall the brand, the company name. So I don't know. You don't see. Oh, now it's, yes, Tom Good Day Tech Direct Store. I never bought from them. It came quick. It was with 15 days delivery as well. So for now I'm happy with the product. I want to check only if it's working on 9 and 12 volts. If so, I will be happy. I want to put like on several devices to see if it will really get those, you know, those amps properly. But I already see that we've got 3 amps, yes, on my phone. So I'm really happy with this device. Guys, thank you for watching. Sorry that it's 17 minutes, but we've got 2 devices. The CTV is on the test. Customer wants to collect it on Monday, which is Sunday today. Today is the 27th of November, so customer wants to collect it. I already spoken with the customer. If possible, let's fix them all. But that's it in this episode. If you did like, here's likes to you. Thank you guys for watching. If you did subscribe, additional likes to you. And that's it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.